Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'll be taking you through the process of making a withdrawal on UpRockets.io. So, let's get started. First, I visit the UpRockets.io dashboard. Here, I can manage all my stakings and track my earnings. Clicking on the staking tab, I can view all my active stakings. It's great to see my investments growing steadily over time. Now, let's head over to the wallet page. Here, I can see my balances, including my current balance, the profits I've earned, the future profit potential, and the locked amount. Alright, it's time to make a withdrawal. I click on the withdraw page and select Ethereum as my preferred currency. I enter the withdrawal amount of 14.844 ETH. It's important to note that UpRockets charges a 20% fee for withdrawals. I'm okay with this, so I proceed by clicking on Initiate Withdrawal Request. A withdrawal typically takes 24 to 72 hours to process. So, I patiently wait for my withdrawal to be completed. After 22 hours have passed, I log back into my account to check if the withdrawal has been successful. On the activity page, it shows that I received my withdrawal of 12.37 ETH after deducting the 20% fee. To verify the transaction, I head over to Etherscan. And there it is, I successfully received my withdrawal of 12.37 ETH. Wow! UpRockets truly delivers. It's an incredible platform that has helped me achieve my financial goals. I highly recommend joining UpRockets and experiencing the benefits for yourself. Thank you for watching, and remember, UpRockets is the way to go for secure and profitable staking. Don't miss out on this opportunity to maximize your earnings. See you next time.